You must be looking also at savings accounts, pensions, investments, stocks, bonds.
Oh, absolutely. And in fact, there was a new law that was passed last year. It's called the Secure Act. I don't remember what Secure stands for, but basically what this act said is your pension, we used to be able to stretch it over your kid's life, and we could continue that great tax-free benefit of the IRAs for a whole nother generation. Under the Secure Act, we can only do that for 10 years. It's a huge change, really taxing those pensions. People don't know that, but we want to make sure and take care of your pension. How do we make sure and reduce the taxes that your kids are going to have to pay when they inherit that IRA, that 401k, that 403b? It's a kind of a big deal, but of course, we attorneys talk about it, but you're not talking about that at your dinner table. Nobody's thinking about the pension. And there's a big mistake people make with pensions, life insurance. They forget to name their beneficiaries. So they can have a great living trust, a great will, and there's no beneficiary named. We try to avoid, they have these trusts. They don't name the trust as beneficiary. They don't name beneficiaries. It goes to probate court.
That's amazing. You do all of this paperwork and you forget to write down who you want to get all the stuff?
Yeah, and then it ends up in probate court. And I have seen that so many times. And then with the house, you have this great living trust. I had one very wealthy family. It was a very sophisticated plan. They refinanced their over $1 million home. And guess what? When they died, it wasn't in their trust. We had to go to probate court on the house. And, they'd spent a lot of money on a very high-level law firm to this exotic tax planning, and we end up in probate court. If you don't have your assets in your trust, when you die, they don't go with your trust.
Attorney Martha Patterson is offering you a free strategy session. Find out about wills, trusts, and other important documents. If you're facing a crisis, call now. Mention this program and you'll get $250 off any legal services after the free strategy session. 855-ELDER-77. 855-ELDER-77.